Make me go crazy, I need you right now.
I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling.
Granite Japanese lantern is our star product. All of them are handmade crafted. The height are ranging from 30 to 180 centimeter. The price start at USD 55. In this way, you can feel that it will a great decoration in the garden, and you can feel the owner of the garden has a special taste, and it is very likely that she is an interesting person. They are perfect choice too. The garden no matter from the material choice, quality control, energy saving and natural beauty it brings. Each of our Japanese-style garden lanterns represents the symmetry and beauty found in traditional Japanese gardens. Japanese style make sure our look never go out of style. Also, we have other designs of Japanese stone lanterns. You can come to our homepage, magicstonegarden.com and alibaba.com to check out. In the daytime it is a sculpture that could decorate the garden. In the night, warm glows it can make us feel peaceful and happy. They are perfect choice too. The garden no matter from the material choice, quality control, energy saving and natural beauty it brings. We believe these products can support you take a lead at your local market for New Year 2022. So again, if you are interested in any item, free to contact our online customer staff or email us directly. See you next time.